Hey guys, Nick here coming to you live from the unboxing zone here at Gitex Shopper 2018. It's the last day and so obviously we've saved the best for last. Right now we are unboxing the brand new graphics card from ASUS. This is the ASUS ROG Strix GeForce RTX 2080 Ti. Try saying that a few times, it's a mouthful. Now this is the latest graphics card from ASUS featuring NVIDIA's new Turing architecture. And I mean, it's definitely one of the best graphics cards out there. If you're a gamer and you're looking to really get the best of the best, this has 11 gigabytes of GDDR6 memory on it. So honestly, all your games, all your graphics work is going to look absolutely fantastic on it. So let's get inside and see what we have. So we're going to open it up over here. Okay, let's get it up. Okay, the moment of truth. These are always fun. Gonna try and get out of the box. There we go. And okay, there it comes. I'm gonna turn around this way. And there it is. Strix. Okay, let's open it up. Okay, so obviously first of all we've got a little ASUS booklet here, and in it you've got obviously the graphics drivers and a quick setup guide, so how you can get the best out of your graphics card in terms of placement, power, sort of ins and outs and do's and don'ts about installing a graphics card, because it is an important piece of tech in your PC, so you want to make sure that you install these properly. So we're going to put this to the side, over here, lift this guy up, and there we have it. That's the beast right there. So down here we've got some handy cable ties, so if you want to do a bit more cable management, you can do that as well in your case. But we're going to get to the meat of the matter. We're going to get the graphics card out of the box. Nothing inside there, so let's put this to the one side. And let's get this guy out. So I'm going to open this up really carefully. I'm going to use this actually as a protective sheet. And here we go. Here it comes. Okay, here it almost comes. Hang on. All right, there we go. That's better. And there you have it. Amazing. Look at that. That is a work of art. All right. So you can see this wonderful heat sinks and fans over here that make sure that your graphics card is running at an optimum temperature. You can see just how big that heatsink is on this graphics card, because a card this powerful definitely is going to generate a lot of heat when you're using it to its maximum capacity. The power connectors over here, and then at the back, just beautifully finished board here with the ASUS ROG logo. I mean, it is a really good, really hefty card, and it is absolutely fantastic. It's definitely a piece of kit you want in your PC if you want something that's really powerful and want to play all of your games and all of your applications with a max resolution. Now, as I said before, this has 11 gigs of onboard RAM, but it also has the Aura Sync software that you can download from ASUS, which basically lets you tie up the LEDs lighting in the RTX 2080 Ti with the rest of the lighting in your case, so you have a nice matching system. And it also has the overclocking software that you can again install from the CD or you can download from ASUS website. And that again lets you monitor things like board temperatures, lets you look at the clock speeds and overclock them to make sure you're getting the most performance out of your new graphics card. That's it for this unboxing video, but make sure you stay tuned for more videos or come on down and see us. It's the last day of Gitex here at Dubai World Trade Center, so come on down and say hi. See you guys.